Everyone, I am back with a craft with me video and a very quick tutorial for those of you that have been watching my craft haul videos. You'll see that I purchased these items from the range and this tin from Poundland, and I thought I got these tins to put in these flowers. Actually, I thought it would be a great idea because these are a bit more bulkier. They don't fit in my little compartment boxes, so I thought I could put them in here. Now the problem is I want a couple of these, and I don't want to be lifting the lids out all the time going, what's in that box? And you know, I could just put a sticker on it. But I thought what I could do is decorate the tin with some of the flowers all the way around, and then I would know that there's flowers in there. What do you think? So I'm doing this completely on the fly, and I thought I might put some washi tape on, but we'll see what happens. Let's see how we go. Now this could be a complete and utter fail. You'll have to just bear with me. Now I'm not going to use my fairy tale ones because I have a project I want for those, but they can go in there afterwards. But I could use, now what colour's going to go best? I think that colour will probably, yeah, go best. So I'm going to use this pack here. We'll put these to the side. And I've got my hot glue gun to the side of me. And these are all on wires, as you can see. So let's take all these out. But you know, you don't have to just do this with flowers. So let's just say you have, okay, let's just say you had a whole big pot of these. These are my satin flowers. You could just put a couple, or you could just put one on the top. If you didn't want to waste a lot of them, you could just put one on the top of it, and then you would know what's inside. Or what else do I have? I have these blingy things here. So, you know, same again, you could just decorate it on the top, you know, with a few of these so that you would know, you know, what was in your container. You get the idea, right? So I think these are fantastic for £1. You get an awful lot in them. And I also have a great big container full of these big flowers as well. So that one, you could just have one on the top of that. I mean, that would look great just by itself with the one flower on, actually. In fact, I will get a couple more of these because I do have a great big container of these big roses. So I think I would just put one on there so you don't waste too many of your precious goodies. So let's have a look here and see. Now, trust me, I haven't got my craft pliers, wire cutters here, but I'm sure that this is going to be okay. Yeah, there you go. So what I'm going to do now, I've only got 2 of those, so I'm thinking we're going to glue. No, I only have 3 of those, don't I? Oh, that's not going to work then, is it? We have odd amounts. So let's see what we're going to do. So I'm just cutting off these wires. I mean, what I'm going to do, I will open another pack because, you know, this isn't just so that we've got craft storage. You could actually give this as a gift, you know. You could go out and get one of these and make one of these as a gift. So what I'm going to do is show you this tutorial, and let's pretend we're going to use it as a gift, or what? Let's not pretend, we're going to use it as a gift, or we're going to use it for our storage. So have I got another cream flower? That is the question. Right, I have another cream one there. Or do I use a pink one? No, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these cream flowers out of here, and then we can have even. Don't always like even, but on a project like this, it will have to be an even amount. Okay, right, so I've got my hot glue gun to the side here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to need a new glue stick in a minute, is I'm going to start, is there a seam? Right, there is a seam, so that is a good place to start, and it gives us a guide. Now you can always go back and put some more hot glue on afterwards, so let's make sure that's stuck. We've got hot glue everywhere now, and then we'll turn that around, and the next one will go around here. And just make sure, doesn't matter if we're not perfect. And we are going to need a little bit, more glue under that, because that has gone a bit demented. But you can always come in and just put some more down. And we're going to turn that around, and we're going to do the other two sides. You know, and actually this would be a good project for the kids. Obviously you can now, I haven't got one, I haven't tried it, but you can get, instead of the hot glue guns, you can get a cool guns now. Now I do not know how they work, but I might have to get one so that I can do a review for you. But yes, you apparently can get, I've seen them in the shop, but I didn't get one. Instead of hot glue guns, they're called cold glue guns. So obviously perfect for the kids, but I do not know if they are any good. So if anyone's used one, please let me know, or I might get one and do a review, because actually I'm always burning myself, so maybe that might be something for me to try out. Right, okay. So yeah, this would be a great project for the kids. You could decorate it with alphabet, spell out names, you know, kids to store their hairbands in. So look, it's looking good, looking good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little one in between. I mean, look how quick and easy this project is. And then you don't have to question what's in your containers either, do you? You've got a very decorative piece for your shelf. Not bad for £1. Well, altogether this cost just over £2 to do, really. And I mean, you wouldn't even, you know, if you didn't want to use up all your flowers, then I'm sure you could, you know, find something else that would look, that's a bit wonky, but never mind, it gives it character. I have actually got a lot of the silk flowers as well, you know, the little ribbon flowers. Now, I'm not even sure if I'm going to even put washi tape on it, because I think it looks quite nice as it is. But you could, if you wanted to, you could go all out And oops, that one does not want to stick down. There you go, that's on now. There it is, we've done it already. Now look at that, that just looks so cute. How cool is that going to look on my shelf? Now, like I said, you could, let's have a look what it would look like. Oops. I can't get to my washi table. Right, so you could actually, if you wanted to, run some washi tape around the bottom like that as well, if you wanted to. Now, I don't know, I think, oh, I quite like it actually. I think I'm gonna. So we just run that round. And what a cute little project for you. And how quick, you know, how quick could you, you know, make a few of these for presents for people. I mean, super quick, really. And look at that. That is done. There is your super decorated flower tin. Look at that. It's made that very plain tin, which actually did look all right by itself, into a gorgeous thing or present to have on your shelf, or a present to give away. And what I'm going to do with mine, oh, she says I can get the lid off now. Okay, is I'm going to take my lid off, and I am going to store all of my flowers. Now I'm going to leave the stems on just in case, obviously, some projects I might want stems on. Put those in as well. Now look at all this, we're getting rid of all of this mess that we have. That's all from my bin. And actually you can get an awful lot in these tins. I mean, look, that hasn't even touched the surface yet, so these flowers are so pretty as well. But I mean, you could even, if you have crafty friends, you know, buy a couple of packs of these and make the tin and fill it up with the flowers. I mean, what a cute gift, huh? Oh, I've just had my postman come with more AliExpress goodies. I can hear them all dropping on the floor. Oh dear, Channelle, you're very naughty. You hear the little packages drop in the morning and I'm like, yay, Christmas. Oops. Oh, come on. I mean, look, we have emptied out how many packs now? 4 packs of these flowers. And it's not even, look, I mean, how many flowers does that hold? I've got 2 more left, so I might as well do them. Get rid of all these packets. Oops. And if they didn't have the stems on, you would get even more in there. But I think it's handy to leave the stems on, just in case. You've got more options then, haven't you? One more. And all of those packs that I had have gone into I just think this would make a lovely gift, actually, for a crafty friend. I mean, look at that. One more pack, and, you know, that would be near enough almost filled. And look at that. And you could even, if you wanted to, put one on the centre. I'm not going to, because I quite like it as it is. There you go. A very easy, quick present or way to decorate your tin for your own use. But, you know, I'm sure, obviously this is from Poundland in the UK, but I'm sure you could get tins like this in the States, you know, maybe from the dollar store or something like that. Hope you've enjoyed this very quick how-to tutorial, and I shall see you all very soon. Please like and subscribe, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.